Hello developers. In this video we will learn about sort method in JavaScript. So sort method sorts the elements of an array and returns the sorted array, and it modifies the original array. So let's discuss it with some basic example. First one is sorting strings. Const. Let's make an array of fruits. Apple, kiwi, banana. Okay. Now we want to sort it. Okay. So, and we will store the results in sorted result. Sorted fruits equals to, we are going to apply sort method on fruits. So fruits dot sort. Okay. So we are applying sort method on fruits array. Now we will do console sorted fruits. Okay. So can you guys tell me the output? Can you guess it? It will be apple, banana and kiwi. Fruits is not defined. What's the error? Okay. We need to do fruits. Okay. We'll check it again. So output is apple, banana and kiwi. So sorting is working properly using sort method in case of strings. Now we will check in case of number. Sorting numbers in sorting numbers. Okay, we will comment this code. Let's take an array of numbers. Const numbers is equals to 3. Okay. Now we are applying sort on numbers array. Const sorted numbers equals to numbers dot sort console sorted numbers. So guys, can you guess the output? Output should be 1 2 3 5 8. Okay, but in the terminal if we see, the output will be some different. So now we will see sorting in case of numbers. Now we will see sorting in case of numbers. Sorting numbers. Okay. So let's consider an array of numbers. Numbers equals to 3, 12, 4, 5, 1, 22. Okay. Now we will do sort const sorted numbers equals to numbers dot sort. We are applying sort on numbers array. Okay. Let's do console. Okay. So can you guess the output? Many of you are thinking output should be 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 12, then 22. But the output should be different. Okay. So this is how it is sorted, because sorting is not working as expected. We need to use function here. Okay. Sorting works by default in case of string elements, but it not in case of number elements. So to overcome this, we need to use function also. Okay. So let's comment this code. Const numbers. We need to use function inside sort. A comma B. We need to apply logic here. A minus B. So now if we print sorted numbers, it will give the correct output. See, now the output is correct. So what we have done is, the sort method compares each pair of numbers using this code. This is the logic for ascending order. Okay, so the final sorted array is 1, 3, 4, 5, 12, 22. If A minus B is negative, A is placed before B, so creating an ascending order here. If A minus B is negative, A will be placed before B, so it will create an ascending order. Similarly, for descending order, what will be the logic? Logic will be changed to B minus A. We will see it also. Now case for descending order. Okay, if we will comment this code. For descending order, we need to change it to B minus A. So what will be the output now? So it is changed to descending order.